everyone, welcome back to Sunshine Shiksha Learners Library. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some of the other ways to say I know, I understand. Now that we are all aware of why it is important to be able to say these phrases using other words, we can begin to explore some of the things that you might say in their place. First sentence, using of course. This might be used when someone asks you if you understand. Next point, I see your point, I take your point, I see where you are coming from. This might be used when you are acknowledging that you understand what someone is saying, but you do not necessarily agree with them. Next one, I completely understand. Fair enough. So this is a very informal phrase which is often used when acknowledging that you understand a point someone has made. It is commonly used to recognize that someone has proven you wrong and you understand this. I know what you mean. I don't blame you. I would feel the same. This phrase can be used when you are acknowledging that you understand why someone thinks something or has done something. Okay, sure, all right. These are simple words which can be used to let someone know that you understand. Compared. This is a word derived from a Spanish with English speaker used to say, I understand. It's crystal clear. This can be said to let someone know that you completely understand something. I hear what you are saying. This is another phrase which can be used in a similar way to I see your point, I take your point, I see where you are coming from. I get it, got it. So now let's see some of the example sentences with these words which will help you to understand much better. Of course, I was wrong. It would be hypocritical to pretend otherwise. I see your point, but I'm not sure I agree with you. You would obviously like to try to grab them, but I take your point. I completely understand how things are when money is tight. If you don't want to come, fair enough, but let Bill know. Don't juggle with words anymore. I know what you mean. I know that you have never forgiven me for what happened, and I don't blame you, darling. Okay, I'll tell him that you called. Okay, I get it. You only get paid if you sell at least 10 copies. Hope these sentences and words helped you. Kindly use, instead of always using I understand, I know, these phrases will enhance your English speaking skill. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening. If you like the video, kindly subscribe.